Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set developer options for games on Samsung M35 device. Well, developer options offer tools and features that can be useful for game developers, testers, or enthusiasts. So, enabling developer options allow for debugging game-related issues, monitoring performance metrics, and testing game functionality on the device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To access the developer options on your device, first go to the Settings menu and scroll down to select About Phone. After that, tap on Software Information and activate the developer options by tapping the bell number 7 times. Okay, once activated, return to the previous page and select Developer Options. And within the Developer Options menu, scroll down and disable the lagger buffer size. After disabling the settings, continue scrolling and tap on Graphics Driver, so you can choose the game for which you want to configure the graphics settings. If the selected game has a built-in graphic driver, set it to the game's default graphics, but if not, you can choose an alternative option. Okay, next, go back and scroll down. Then set the window animation, transition animation, and animator duration scale settings to off, and then scroll again and select background process limit. And here you can set it to no background processes to optimize device performance by limiting background processes. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set developer options for games on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.